Today video is about HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Let's see about the key features, working principle, various components of this system. Sole objective of a HVAC system is human comfort in closed premises like hospitals, shopping malls, movie theaters, etc. It also improves the air quality. Let's see how HVAC is different from typical air conditioning we use at our homes. Normal air conditioning can only provide cooling, filtration, dehumidification, and heating sometimes. Whereas HVAC system can make air humidified as per season, degreasing of air, improving the oxygen levels by ventilation, maintaining proper level of air pressure in the space also. Human comfort can be achieved by cooling, heating, humidification and dehumidification. Humidifying is the process of increasing the relative humidity of a space by addition of moisture. Dehumidifying is the process of removing the moisture from a space. Human comfort can also be achieved by filtration, the process of removing dust, pollens, smoke, and contaminants from the air inside a space. Ventilation, process of adding external air to freshen up the air and also to maintain oxygen level. Air movement, supplying the proper flow of fresh and treated air, thereby maintaining the air pressure inside the space. One can see HVAC systems widely used in hospitals, restaurants and kitchens, large dining facilities, function halls, auditoriums, movie theaters, shopping malls, high-rise buildings, corporate offices, educational institutions. Industrial applications are like electronics and semiconductor manufacturing units, for cooling in electrical panel boxes, underground ventilation in case of tunnels, railways and roads, clean room applications, pharmaceuticals, semiconductor and scientific laboratories, cold room applications, cold storage, food processing units. Main components in a HVAC system are AHU air handling unit, flow control dampers, fire dampers, supply air ducts, diffuser grills, return air grills, strainers, boosters, controlling electricals. Working principle of HVAC system. You can see a box in here called return air plenum. This takes air from atmosphere and sends it to the air handling unit. First, the air enters into the filtration section, where dust particles are removed and dehumidification takes place. Next, the air is made to pass through a heat exchanger, where the air loses its heat to the liquid flowing in the pipes. The cold air is sent into the space through a series of ducts. After cooling the space, air gets warm and sends back to the air handling unit, through return ducts. This image is self-explanatory. Identify yourself the components of the system and the flow path. This is the air handling unit. You can see filters, supply air and return air plenum in here. These are the ducting images. Duct is a hollow section for air to pass through, usually circular or rectangular in cross-section. The shiny part is the insulation around the ducts. This is the section view of an air handling unit. From right you can observe air inlet, filters, heat exchanger, humidifier, fan, and air outlet. These are the various types of diffusers. The type of diffuser to be used depends on the location where it is positioned. On left you see a ducting layout with blue and pink lines. Blue ones are supply cold air ducts. Pink ones are return warm air ducts. Carefully observe the positions of air handling unit, ducts, and diffusers.